All right guys, good morning. So I need your help with something. I've been doing a lot of new additions and changes to my 2022 BMW M340i, but I do need your help with something. I will take you around the car just quickly as far as the new upgrades that I've done to it, but there's a missing piece to what I want to add to it. I do need your help down in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and take you around right now. Okay, here is my M340i. Now I will be sharing the DIY on the front lips. Front lip is the BMW M Performance one, painted black reflectors on the side, variant argon wheels, front and rear, full shadow line package. But here is where I need your help at. What trunk lip should I do on this car to try to keep the same theme? Now this is the stock one that of course came on the car, but do I try to go for a painted gloss black because I do have all the other gloss black features on the car, or do I go with a carbon fiber one? Now I still need to do the rear diffuser, so I guess this could be a two-part question as far as what to do, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'm really trying to figure out what's going to look the best on this car, but I definitely know it needs something. So I'd want to do it two-part as far as black rear diffuser and back trunk lip. Guys, that's it. I'm trying to find what the best trunk lip is going to be for my 2022 BMW M340i. But let me know down in the comment section below as far as what trunk lip you think I should go with. I've kind of thought of a few different ideas. I first thought of doing like a paint matched G80 M3 one, so that way it keeps the gloss black theme. I've thought about having a CF one, but I don't really have any CF anywhere else. So I'm trying to figure out what's gonna look the best on my car, what direction I really should go. So that's why I need you guys' help. All right, well, I appreciate everything. More updates to come and more videos to come because I have a special DIY that's gonna be coming here this week. A nice power adder if you guys catch the drift of what could be in this box. So DIY to come on that one, and a nice sound clip that's gonna come with it. All right guys, thanks again, big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out all the other BMW videos I have here on the channel. I'm gonna talk to you later and take care.